Hey guys, 828 Fine Adventure. So the other day, I was putting a bunch of stuff in the back of the Tacoma, and I had it overfilled. And when I went to press the tailgate shut, it disconnected on one side and just lifted up and came off. And I'm like, what the heck? That's a little too easy to do. So it was on this side. And of course, everyone knows that's how you take the bed off. If you need to, I don't know, carry larger stuff or do whatever, I don't know. I never have a need to do that. But I will tell you, these things must be really easy to steal. So if it's unlocked, mine locks automatically when I lock the vehicle and stuff, but who knows, maybe I'll forget to lock it at night. Somebody comes by, whoop, takes this off, it's gone. That's well over $1,000, to get one of these. I'm sure it's probably more like $3,000 after you go to a body shop. So they make all these anti-theft devices for this. Some are a ring that Allen bolts on. Some are metal plates. The one I got off of Amazon, and I'll put a link under the video in the description. Comes with a little hardware here. Even comes with a little torque bit. And this right here is an anti-theft device to keep your bed fixed. They won't be able to get a wrench in there to get the bolt out to unbolt this, so it's not coming out. And that's what we got. Or should I say, they might not have the Allen or security bolt that they need. Security bolt, just like the ones I have on my tags. They might not have those. Most thieves don't. Professional thieves probably, but you do what you can do. Your insurance company will love that you went the extra mile to keep something like this from happening. So I'm going to show you how to put this on. Hopefully it's real easy. Didn't come with any directions. So let's get at it. So basically, it's got my little 1/4 inch. I put the bit, the security bit that it came with, in here. Let me see what I need to take the other one off. Looks like all I need is a 10mm. So it appears this is going to go like that, right? Just like that. This is by Lemmervale, and it's going to go just like that and secure the bed so it can't be stolen, or at least makes it a little more difficult. So let me set up the other tripod and let's get a video of that. Okay, so we need to remove this 10mm bolt. Going to do that right here. Okay. Then this right here fits over that. Now, it came with this little bolt here, but it doesn't have a washer. I'm going to put a washer on that. Okay, I got a washer on there. Let's go ahead and... Okay, well, I had to go through my parts bin because the bolt it come with was not the correct thread. I don't know if it's boogered up on the end, it might be, but it was not the correct thread for some reason. So check that, don't over tighten it in there. So I actually had one from some tag bolt sets, same security key and everything. So let's put that in there. And that was easy enough. Now I'm going to tighten it down. There we go. Got that all tight. All right, now I have that all tightened down. Again, the bolt it came with might be boogered up on the end. I'm not sure, but it would not thread in. So So I went ahead and replaced that with another one I just happened to have. So check it before, because that would have been a problem. And I have one of these, which I got off Amazon also a while back. And I'll put a link under the video in the description to this, but you can check the threads and stuff like that. These are really handy, and I recommend everybody has one. You can just hang it on your tool shelf or wherever. I just keep it in a drawer, but you can check, you know, the thread count, standard or metric. All right, there it is, all fastened in. You can see how it rests on top of this right here. This is the part when I had this thing overfilled and I tried to shut it, it popped off of this right here and was just loose and hanging, and then I had a difficult time getting it to unlatch from the other side of the bed, but I did, and I fixed it. Just remember that if you overstuff your bed and try to close the tailgate, it's gonna pop out of there. But now it won't happen. I suppose it would just dent the tailgate, but whatever. I just don't want it to get stolen. So this is a great, easy to install anti-theft device. Looks like, you know, I just got a bad bolt, but that's okay. I had one. That doesn't mean you will. I'll put some links under the video in the description to this. It's they run about $25. If you're handy, maybe you can make one, but I don't know, time's money, and this is was easier to get. And so yeah, check that out. It's pretty cool. You can see the name there, Limmervale. I think maybe Limmervale, something like that. Anyhow, there you go. All right, folks, there you have it. The anti-theft bed device. Real easy bolt-on. And like I said, there's links under the video in the description. Maybe you can make one yourself. Check the bolt when you get it first. Mine, I think, was boogered up on the end and wouldn't thread in, so I just put a replacement there. Seems like there's plenty of room for that. Yes, so let me tell you, there's really not enough room to get a wrench in there, but I wouldn't use just a regular hex bolt, because somebody with a little thin flat wrench probably could get in there, maybe. You know, thieves like to be quick. It'd take them a while to back that out. So I just used one of these security type tag bolts. Worked great. The threads were fine. Everything was good. So check out my channel. I got a lot of videos on the Tacoma, a lot on the 4Runner, a lot on a Tundra, and other vehicles that we've messed around with and gotten rid of, and some we still have. We still have the GTI. So stay tuned. Subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. It really helps the channel. You do need to be logged in to YouTube or Google, your Gmail. Just use your Gmail, log in, and just log in and subscribe, and forget about it. You're not going to get solicited or anything like that. It just helps the people who make videos. It just helps their channels grow, because the algorithms, the more subscribers you get and the more likes you get, it puts your video out there in front of people, and it just helps. It kind of motivates us to make more videos. I just enjoy doing this. That's it. I enjoy making videos and showing y'all what I'm doing and little things. And if I have a tip or a trick, I will tell you, and hopefully those help you. That's all I got today. Hope you like that one. I've got another mod coming on this, a few more before the end of the summer, I hope. And some more on the 4Runner. So I will see you then. See ya.